Hello guys, today ang ituturo ko sa inyo is all about volume of a square pyramid and rectangular pyramid. Okay, let's start. So the formula in finding the volume of a pyramid is given by the formula V or the volume is equals to 1/3 base times height. Wherein yung B natin is not just the base, it is the area of the base. And then yung H is the height. So, given yung ganyang formula natin, we can have the volume of a square pyramid given by this formula. V is equals to S squared times H divided by 3. And then for the rectangular pyramid naman, we have here length times width times height divided by 3. Okay? So basically, pwede nating hanapin muna yung area ng base ng ating pyramid, whether square pyramid yung binigay or rectangular pyramid. Dahil kapag square pyramid naman, ang base niya syempre is square. So ang area ng ating square is just S square. So multiply that by ating height and then divided by 3 kasi 1/3. So yung 1/3 can be also represented by divided by 3. Same lang siya. Okay? So baka kasi magtaka kayo, bakit dito 1/3, bakit dito divided by 3 na siya? Same lang siya. Okay? So ito lang yung derivation ng ating two formula na naka-indicate yung ating formula for the base. Okay, pinag-isa na siya. Hindi siya naka 1/3 base times height. Yung base, okay, yung area of the base, pinalitan na siya. Okay? So let's give some examples para mas maintindihan nyo yung tinutukoy dito sa ating volume. Okay? So for our first example, what will be the volume of a rectangular pyramid with base sides 6 inches and 8 inches and the height of 16 inches. So, first, identify muna natin yung given natin. So, yung base natin, meron siyang side na 6 inches and 8 inches. So, yung length niya is 6 inches and yung width niya is 8 inches. Ayan. So, pwede natin itong pagbaliktarin din. Length naman pala yung palaging mas mahaba. So, baliktarin na lang natin siya. So, yung length natin is 8 inches. And then, yung ating width is 6 inches. And then, syempre, meron tayong height na 16 inches. So, ngayon, binigay yung ating base. Binigay yung dimension ng base natin, which is 8 inches and 6 inches. So, all we need to do is find the area of the base. Okay? So, yun muna yung hanapin natin. So, area ng base. Area of base is equals to 6 times 8 inches. Okay? Bakit? Kasi yung base natin is a rectangle. Kasi rectangular pyramid nga siya. So, alam naman natin, yung area ng rectangle is just length times width. So, yun yung ginawa natin. 6 times 8. So, don't forget the units pala. So, edit natin to. 6 inches times 8 inches. So, the area of our base is 6 times 8. That is 48 inches squared. So, that is the area of our base. Now, meron na tayong area ng base natin. We can substitute this sa ating formula na V is equals to 1/3 area ng base times yung height natin. So, substituting yung ating values, we have 1/3 and then yung area ng base natin is 48 inches squared times yung ating height na 16 inches, given naman siya. And then, simplifying this, so 1/3 ng 48, so ano ba yung 1/3 ng 48? So, that is just 48 divided by 3. So, what is 48 divided by 3? So, that is 16 inches squared. Copy lang natin yung units. Then, times 16 inches. Then, finally, for the volume of this given rectangular pyramid, so 16 times 16 is just 256. And then, yung inches squared times inches, so ay magiging inches cube lang siya. So this is our final answer. So this is the volume of the given rectangular pyramid. Okay, let's proceed. So a square pyramid has a height of 15 meters and its base with 8-meter side lengths. Find its volume. So given naman sa atin is yung ating square pyramid naman. So ang height niya is 15 meters. So lagay natin height of 15 meters. And then, yung base daw is may 8-meter side length. So, since square siya, so, ang side ng ating square sa base natin is 8 meter. So, yung base natin, merong 8 meter siya na dimension. So, to find the area of the base, so, since square siya, ano ba ang formula natin for the area of square? So, it's just side times side or S squared. So, yung 8 meter, i-square lang natin siya. Okay? So, and then we all know 8 square is just 8 times 8 and that is 64 meters square. So, now meron na tayong area ng base, meron na tayong height. We can plug this value sa ating formula which is V is equals to 1/3 area ng base times yung ating height. And then, 1/3 plugging in yung values natin. This is 64 meters square. And then, yung height natin is 15 meter. Okay? So, now, simplify muna natin yung 1/3 times 64. So, that is 64 divided by 3, which is hindi pwede. So, i-multiply na lang muna natin yung 64 times 15 bago tayo mag-divide sa 3. So, 64 times 15 is equal to 960. So, this is 960. Copy muna natin yung 1/3. And this is 960. And then yung meter square times meter, so magiging meter cube lang siya. Okay? And then finally, simplifying this, what is 1/3 of 960? That is equals to 320. Then don't forget the unit, which is meter cube. So this is our final answer. Ito yung volume ng ating given square pyramid rather. Okay, so up to this point, malinaw ba kung ano yung ating tinutukoy? Okay, kung paano tayo nag-solve, whether rectangular or square pyramid yung given natin. Okay? So, let's proceed sa ating third example. So, find the volume of the following. So, for this example, solve natin tong part A. So, meron tayo ditong base na may dimension na 7 inches and a height of 12 inches. So, kung titignan nyo, since 7 inches lang yung nakalagay sa base natin, so, ano ang ini-indicate nun? Walang other dimension yung base eh. It's just 7 units. Or 7 inches rather. So, it means, yung ating base is a square pyramid. Okay? Kasi 7 inches lang yung dimension niya dito. So, yun yung ini-indicate kapag isang dimension lang meron yung ating base. Automatic, equal na yung sides nung ating base. Okay? So, it means, square pyramid to. So, if meron tayong dimension na 7 inches dyan, so, to find first yung area ng base natin, so, 7 inches siya. So, yung area ng base natin, so, just the area of square. And the area of square is just S square or 7 inch square. And kapag in-square natin yung 7 inch, so, that's 7 times 7. This is 49 inches square. So, given naman yung height natin, which is 12 meters, eto. So, pwede na tayong mag-plug in ng values sa ating formula. Which is V is equals to 1/3 area ng base times yung height. So, copy natin tong 1/3 and then plugging in yung values natin. So, yung area ng base natin is 49 inches squared. And then yung ating height is 12 inches. Okay? And then simplifying this, so kakaroon tayo ng 49 times 12. And 49 times 12 is equals to 49 times 12 is 588. So this is 1/3 times 588. Then inches squared times inches, magiging inches cube lang siya. And then simplifying this, 588 divided by 3. So kapag minultiply mo ang 1/3 sa 588, it's just 588 divided by 3. So same lang yan. And this is equal to 196. Then this is, copy natin units, inches, cube. So this is our final answer. Ito yung ating volume for our first example dito sa third example natin. Okay, yung part A. Okay, given yung square pyramid. 196 inches cube. And for this part B natin, okay, rectangular pyramid siya. Bibigyan ko na kayo ng clue kasi yung dimension ng base natin is meron dalawa. So, rectangular pyramid siya. Okay? Kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box kung ano yung sagot nyo dito sa ating last example. Okay? Kung medyo nalilito pa, you can always go back sa earlier part ng video na ito kung paano tayo nag-solve given square pyramid or rectangular pyramid. Okay? Kung paano natin hinahanap yung volume niya. And balikan nyo to and then try nyo siyang sagutan kung naiintindihan nyo na. Okay? So that's it for our video for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.